Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. We are back with learning 5 new words per day through the daily vocabulary booster by Oliveboard. So these are the 5 new words that we will be learning today, which is 5th of April 2019. Before we start with that, don't forget to take up a free mock test for any bank or government exam that you are preparing for by clicking on the link given to you in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. So we start with the first term, which is called deterrence. Now it is DETERRENCE, called deterrence, which means the action of discouraging an action or event through instilling doubt or fear of the consequences. So when you go tell your friends that you want to prepare for a certain examination and they tell you that बहुत सारे लोग ये exam के लिए prepare कर रहे हैं and you will not be able to clear it and stuff like that, or it requires a lot of hard work, you will not be able to enjoy your life right now. So that is what is causing deterrence, or they are sort of discouraging you from taking some action. Okay, so few of the synonyms are preventive or preventative. Okay, now we look at the usage. The nuclear missiles remain the main deterrence against possible aggression between the two countries. So because we know there are a lot of countries that have nuclear capability, so that is what is stopping these countries from getting into aggression. Okay. The next word is galvanized. It is GALVANISED, which means shock or excite someone into acting. Okay. Now few of the synonyms are jolt or shock or startle, impel or stir. So these are few of the synonyms of galvanized, and we look at the usage. The urgency of boss voice galvanized them into action. So because as soon as you hear your boss just coming up and saying something, that is what sort of provokes you to do some action or get back to your work. The next term is poised, which is POISED, which means having a composed and self-assured manner. So you're really calm and composed and you act in a certain manner. So few of the synonyms are self-possessed, self-assured, composed or assured. Now we look at the usage. She had learned from the girls at the salon how to appear perfectly poised. So when we go to a salon, we know they're really dressed well. They have their hair in a certain manner, their nails in a certain manner. So that is what helped a particular girl to learn how to stay poised. The next term is pragmatically. Now it is PRAGMATICALLY, which is pragmatically, which means in a sensible and realistic way that is based on practical rather than theoretical considerations. So we all during our school days we are taught only theory, and we know when we come to our lives or when we lead our lives, things are very much different from all that we learned in the theory. So this way we take actions which is based on practicality and not theoretical. So few of the synonyms are practical or sensible or something which is very realistic. The usage, they acted pragmatically in response to the circumstances. So when someone acts practically and with using their brains with respect to the circumstances or the circumstances that their action can lead to. And the last term for today is weaponization. The weaponization is the act of making something into a weapon or making more effective as a weapon. So if we have something and we are converting it to a weapon, or if we already have a weapon and we are trying to make it more effective through introduction of some changes or alterations. Hence the synonyms alter and change. Now we look at the usage. India must take up more forcefully the case against weaponization of outer space. So if someone is telling us that the anti-satellite that we tested was moved towards weaponization, or if other countries are moving towards weaponization, then we must take forceful action against that. Well, that's all we have for you in this video. We learned 5 new words that we picked up from the Hindu editorial. I hope you liked the video. Do share it with your friends and help them improve their vocabulary and English. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.